Selim III 1789–1807. Sultan Selim III was born on December 24, 1761, in Istanbul. His father was Sultan Mustafa III, and his mother was Miriga Sultan of Georgian origin. His father, Sultan Mustafa III, who believed in soothsayers, was overjoyed when they predicted that his newborn son, Selim, would become an unparalleled conqueror. He ordered 7 days and nights of celebrations. Sultan Selim III grew up in this celebratory atmosphere. He was given an excellent education in the palace. Sultan Mustafa III wished for his son Selim to succeed him on the throne. However, after his father's death, his uncle Sultan Abdulhamid I ascended the throne instead. Sultan Abdulhamid I kept Selim under his care in the palace and ensured that he continued his education. Upon the death of his uncle, Selim III ascended the Ottoman throne on April 7, 1789, at the age of 28. Sultan Selim III was very fond of literature and calligraphy. Some of the inscriptions and panels he wrote were hung in mosques and tombs. He spoke Arabic and Persian fluently. A compassionate person, Selim III received a serious education. He was also a skilled poet, tambour player, ney performer, and singer. As a composer, he was devoted to the fine arts and was open-minded, though his character was gentle to the point of weakness. He also desired the establishment of Westernization in the Ottoman Empire. When Sultan Selim III ascended the throne, the people placed great hopes in him. They believed that the young ruler would restore the Ottoman Empire to its former power and glory, after abdicating the Ottoman throne to Prince Mustafa. On May 29, 1807, Sultan Selim III lived for another year and 2 months during the Alemdar Mustafa Pasha incident. He was killed on July 28, 1808, by men of the new sultan. He was buried in the courtyard of the Laleli Mosque, next to his father Sultan Mustafa III.